A Digital Story by Holly Wade. My name is Nkosi Johnson. I am from South Africa and I was born HIV positive. I was born with the disease because my mother got it from my biological father, from whom she did not know had HIV at the time. Statistically, I was not supposed to live past my second birthday, but I was never going to give up without a fight. The disease began to take a toll on my mother daily. Her name was Daphne. She was getting weaker and unable to take care of me and my condition. When we were at a care center for HIV in Johannesburg, South Africa, that is when we ran into Gail. My mother begged Gail to take care of me and become my new mother. She instantly took me in and she became my foster mother. She always took care of me and loved me as one of her own. When I was only 8 years old, Gail wanted to enroll me in a school. When the people at the school learned that I had AIDS, many people rejected me and they were afraid of me. There was a social stigma around HIV, that we were infectious and that we were going to hurt them. I ended up being able to go to the school and I became a national advocate and speaker for the voiceless HIV community, reminding people that we are all the same. More than 70,000 children are born HIV positive in South Africa each year. I told the world my story and how people with HIV are still the same humans. We are all the same. I spoke at many conferences around the globe and I spread a message of love that we should be cared for and treated just as equally because we are all one family. I fought hard to show the world a different side of AIDS. I lost my battle on June 11th, 2001. But I know that my legacy will forever live on as I drastically changed how the world viewed those with HIV. We are all the same.